Hello and welcome. Today I am working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas from Michaels. This is going to be one of two commissions that I am working on for my cousin. So all of the colors are specially requested. We decided to add gold, black, white, and silver to this purple color palette. Most of these purples here are custom made. I believe the third one from me is just Violet by Arteza, but the rest of the purples are custom made. I love purple. Purple holds a very special place in my heart because it is my favorite color. So I love doing acrylic pour paintings using purple. And another little fun fact, they always sell at the craft shows. And I believe that has something to do with how much I love purple. It's always been one of my favorite colors. And the psychology behind purple is, if I could describe it in a couple words, it would be imagination, sensitivity, and intuition. And as a Sagittarius, we are naturally gifted, intuitive beings. But that's a conversation for a whole nother day. Right now, I'm just going to pour out my layered cup that I just did with the gold, black, white, and silver. I'm not really sure where I want to go with the base just yet. So you see me pouring like I have like a direct goal in mind, but I don't. I'm actually developing it along the way, and you will see that while the video progresses. But I'm going to stop talking now. I will let you enjoy this acrylic painting and talk to you again during the wet result. Here it is. So this is the first commission of 2 that I'll be working on for my cousin. So she wanted all purples, and we agreed to add black, white, and silver. I didn't want to add that much because I wanted the purples to be the showgirl of this painting. And I'm really happy that that's the route that I decided to go on. This area here in the center and here over on the edge, that's a little more mixed because I did use the same cup that I did my first pour, and then I did the second one in the same cup. So there was still a little bit of paint at the bottom, and remember, whatever is at the bottom of the cup, that will come out on top. But I do love how this flows together. I feel like there's a lot of movement. It looks like an underwater cave of some sort, especially with the gold running through here in sort of the center of the canvas. I am really happy, but this is not for me. So I'm going to show my cousin and I will let you guys know what she thinks of this painting. But this is one of two, so I'm going to be working on another one for her as well. I'm going to let this dry. You probably won't see the dry results in this video because I do want to get this video up today, like today as in Wednesday. You won't see the dry results today, but I will show you the dry results in the next video. Okay. Thank you for watching.